IT services gives connectivity to its customers to ensure that they're able to deliver to their customers' needs and to ensure that their people have the data that they need to make the right decisions to meet their customers' needs.
We provide the infrastructure that enables the delivery of the data, and that data is delivered in different forms. So that may be wireless technologies, it could be structured cabling technologies, it could be wide area campus networks, including private 5G. IT services works in different marketplaces in different sectors. So that could be in our defence part of the business, where we work with the likes of Fujitsu. We work with data centre environments, organisations like Tesco's and Nationwide, and also large framework projects that we have working with the likes of BT, Royal Mail, Santander.
So one of our new and emerging sectors that we're working in is venues in the entertainment sector. The reason that is so important is because everybody wants Wi-Fi access at all points when they're at a stadium, when they're at a concert, when they're at a football match. For instance, one of the excellent and exciting jobs that we were involved in was the rebuild of the new Brentford Stadium, and we did all of the IT connectivity for that client.
I think the best thing about working with IT services is about the great teams that we have across the organisation. We work on some really complex projects, and delivering those projects needs great teams. And NG Bailey IT Services invests in our people from a training and development perspective, enabling us to build and manage some of the best projects with great teams.
So I'm really excited about us launching the apprenticeship programme within NG Bailey IT Services. We have a strong pipeline of opportunities that are coming through with lots of new and emerging technologies, but also we have a wealth of experience in older technologies that you need to understand in order to be able to know what to do with the new technologies. And you know, we have a culture that means that everybody wants to ensure that you succeed and that you can learn and that you can develop.
For a typical day for a cabling engineer, first and foremost is health and safety, checking the work environment that they're going to be working in that day, and understanding that the tasks that they're undertaking, supported by their line manager or supervisor. For a network engineer, it's more about understanding the technology that they're going to be investigating that day. So a network engineer is involved in a lot of configuration work, as it's important to understand what they're trying to configure and how it's going to be done, especially if it's in a live environment. You'll be introduced into the different types of cabling infrastructures, designs that you will come across, but also the tools that are used for testing. If you're a network engineering apprentice, you'll have the opportunity to looking at different types of networking equipment, things like Cisco network routers, could be Aruba, could be firewall technology. So it's lots of varied different types of technology you'll come across.
So if you're wanting a long career with NG Bailey, then I would absolutely say apply for our apprenticeship, because you know, we've got people that have been with us 20 years, 30 years, that sort of have had their whole career with us at NG Bailey, but constantly seeing new and different things.